2004 Ford Taurus. Customer complaint is it stalls out at stoplights. I went out to try to bring it in and it's a no start. I think there's more to this story. Needless to say, we had to push it in, so let me show you what's going on. I'm in here, turn the key. Look at this. Theft light's still flashing. Check this out. All dashes on everything. So we thought we might have had a theft issue, which we kind of do. So we started checking powers, grounds, fuses, all that. Let me show you what we found. We have no power on the PCM fuse, which if you look here, that ties into the powertrain control module, the idle air control valve. See here, we got a connected circuit. Over here we do not. Put the fuse back in it, and then apply my power. Come back inside the vehicle. Our mileage comes back, and we can start the car. And once Nick kills power, she died. I believe we got a wire broken somewhere, and that was giving our customer their stalling concern. And it just so happened to break in my parking lot fully. So now it's time for the hunt. Alright, we found the problem. To rip the fender liner out, but here it is. Right here you can see where this was kind of bouncing off. Right here is our wire we were having problems with. White and blue. She's got a case of the crusties. We fix that wire, it should give us power on pin 1. Will in turn give us power back to this fuse. Now we should have power. And now the car should start. Great success.